Everybody, this is Robin and I have a new client today. And okay, so I just want to talk briefly. Let's see the nails. So I didn't do these nails. I am just painting on them today, and they're already painted once. So in a little while, she's going to have her nails filled, and then I will shape them, and then we'll come back. But because I am meeting with her today for the first time to go forward, I just figured that I would paint a little bit, and I'm going to be doing like white and lavender floral just on this for a few days until she comes with her fill. So I am going to go in with some green paint, and we are just going to name her, and I'm going to let her name herself. What do you want to name yourself?
I'm going to be Breezy.
So this is Breezy, everybody, and you guys might know her story from my 600-pound life, and so I'm going to be painting on her and talking about our journey moving forward. We will be making face videos together and with Juicy and documenting some things.
Yay.
And yeah, and updates and everything. So I just want to welcome her into our family here. And okay, so we'll be talking, and I'm going to take the talk part of the videos and put them at the end of the video. So if you guys are interested in the stories and the talking, just go to the end of the video, or just stay tuned while you learn here and then go to the end of the video until we make more face videos and I get more comfortable with that. And so you have to stay tuned for that because it's taken me a long time to get to where I want to make face videos. So I'm just going through this design, and it needs a fill, but I'm just going through and putting flowers on it. And let me show you this one. It's already dried. So you can leave these as is, just with the leaves on here, and maybe just add some stones, or you can go forward. I have all my paints out, so I'm just gonna paint like crazy and just let her wear some crazy wild stuff for a few days.
Where the wild things are.
Where the wild things are. That's on my wall.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my god.
I made a collage, and Where the Wild Things Are is on it. So so anyways, there's that, and I'm just gonna go and put these on. I'm gonna make these into really beautiful fluorescent flowers in pink, and maybe some no, just pink.
Oh, because we know Breezy loves pink.
Yeah, because next time I think I'm going to do something a little more tropical, because I already had my other design all picked out. And if you know Breezy from the TV show, oh my gosh, her tan is incredible. Now, Mammy has some pretty good competition. If you guys watch Mammy, she gets so tan and dark. She's native.
Ooh.
So yeah, she gets so beautiful tan. Oh, I'm so jealous of you guys. I always burn, and then
I am German, so I burn.
Ugh.
I mean, I don't know why I don't, well, not anymore. I don't burn anymore, thank God.
No, you don't. Your tan is like beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys will see in the pictures, and when I'm filming next to her, and I'll be like this white. I'll be so white next to everybody.
No.
That's okay though. I'm totally game for that.
I have a secret. There's a secret lotion.
Oh, there is?
There is.
Oh, what is it? Is there a name?
Star something. I gotta.
Carl! Pardon my pet. Carl, get down.
I love Carl.
Wow, he just started jumping on Bree. He never does that in a film.
He loves me.
Hi.
I love you too.
What
Carl.
you want?
I feel like he's totally like a service dog. He loves us.
Oh. More on that later.
Oh.
Anyways, I'll meet you back when I'm all flowered up. All right, so I filled the centers in with a little tiny bit of pink mixed with white, and it's neon pink. So whatever neon pink you use, you can use folk art, and that is found at Walmart. And I'm going in with that same neon pink. Go into the centers like that, and like that. Okay, so as you get to the center, you want to go about halfway down. That will make it pop. So let me try and get this at a better light. So you can really see the neon. So there.
Yes.
Okay. So Breezy, do you like to wear stones?
I do.
Okay, good. Do you like to wear beads and all that stuff too?
Oh, yes.
Oh, see,
Okay.
we've got. We're gonna teach her how to go. We're gonna have her really working. Okay, so there's the pink, right? Now with yellow and white. I'm just gonna wait. I have like all different kinds of things going on here. I had planned on doing another design, but because of Bree's story, I have to do something on this until we can do the design I was planning. So, anyways, how much of that story do you want to tell? Because I can edit this out.
We can talk about however much.
Okay, so what do you want to talk about right now while I decorate for a second?
We could talk about my new journey.
Okay, yes, go ahead.
So I am 32
Okay.
and I am recently single.
Everyone.
Ready to mingle. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, I am going through some hard times in my life. My husband of 12, well, married for 8, but together for 12 years, decided while I was in Texas, losing weight with Dr. N.A.W. and everything with the show, to leave me and go for another female. And not just any female, it was somebody who I absolutely cannot stand. She was a friend. She was in my show. They edited her out a lot though, because she was like, even the production just felt like she was very crazy.
Okay.
I have a no contact order and everything on her because when I was home last summer, she tried to run me off the road, and I had my friend's infant daughter in the car. Wow. And I mean, there's just a lot of bad blood there between us, and I feel in my heart of hearts that she really calculated this. I mean, I know it takes 2 to tango, obviously, but I really feel like, you know, she is very vindictive and wanted my husband, and she got him. Wow. Because he wasn't strong enough to.
And this all just happened.
This just happened within less than a month.
Yeah.
So I flew back from Houston, tried to save my marriage, and didn't work out like that. So I'm going through a divorce while I'm out here trying to find a job.
Okay, so what do you see for your life moving forward, and what we've talked about? Because we've talked a lot, and we're gonna be working on a project together, and she's gonna help me. Her and Juicy are going to help me with my voice, and they're gonna help me stay a little more organized and on task, and help me with the social media part, because I have such a hard time with all of the different platforms, and so I think that it's going to be such a nice collaboration.
Yeah, I do too.
So what do you see coming out of that, so you can tell everyone?
Oh, I see so much coming out of this.
Okay.
I can see so many people getting so much out of what we talk about, like whether it be a podcast, whether it be just the videos.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's so many females, even males, that struggle with weight loss, struggle with whatever we could come to the weight loss table to talk about.
We can come to the weight loss table.
Yeah.
And so many other tables.
Yeah, because it's not. I mean, we could talk about not just weight loss. We could talk about like what I'm going through, what Juicy's going through, what you're going through.
Absolutely. And I think that's why I'm going to make some face videos with you guys. Yeah. And make it just fun and light, and then make a playlist and see how it takes off. I'm going to put the talks at the end of the videos, and if you guys are interested in that, because between Juicy and Breezy and we have lost over 900 pounds.
I cannot believe that.
And so what's the name of our squad?
Lost and found after 900 pounds.
Lost and found after 900 pounds. And we're going to just join up together and then like start that and just have some basic talks about this, and we can go as deep as you guys want to, but I need help with my voice. So, ooh, bless you.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Nasty.
Such big news made her sneeze. So So if you guys notice, I'm making little baskets of flowers around and allowing that to be my line to just kind of work in a pattern. It just adds and makes it look more bouquet-like. Yeah. And then when I top coat it all, like kind of sync together into one. But anyways, I thought that I would give just a few minutes just to describe what was going on, and I want your guys' comments because you guys know on my channel I don't base anything on trying to sell you guys things, especially things you don't need. But I think that I need this for my life to be more confident and more whole. And then the girls here, they need it for their lives and in their own ways. And I think like what a beautiful platform I've built for that. And I didn't even know at the time. I just worked so hard at building this platform for people with no mentors. And I feel that weight loss and the mentorship for that is also holistic in its approach to mental health and not feeling so alone mentally.
Oh yeah.
The art aspect of that as well is so good for your mental health, and so many of my viewers are here for to calm down and for mental health, and so it just makes good sense. And anybody who wants to watch at the end of the videos will have an opportunity to just learn more about me and you, my family, and you know, because Juicy is my daughter in my own way, and so like that, I think it's awesome. And it's going to be crazy too, because we're crazy. I'm concentrating right now. When I concentrate, I get real quiet, but I'm actually really loud and obnoxious. No, I am loud. So I'm loud and quiet. Weird. So are you.
I'm very loud.
Yeah, but you have a
And
sweet
hyper.
voice. Yeah, but your voice is so sweet. It doesn't sound loud and hyper at all. Mine's more grating.
It's because I've been on TV.
Oh, is it?
Just kidding.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this out. I'll meet you guys back. Okay, so I am here and with Evil Client now, and these are the end result. Oh, they are pretty. Oh, I want you to look at them. You don't get to see them like this way.
Ooh.
So you get to see them like that, and then we put lights on them like this. And then as we put the lights on them, when they catch and they look real pretty, then you tell me, are they more sparkly?
Yeah.
Okay, so just start moving them around and showing them. And that's how we do it at the end of the video, so they get a good idea of how your nails look.
And show them your thumbs.
Yeah, and thumbs. I always forget the thumbs. So, yeah, and you kind of, and so like I'll give you the camera at the end of the video, and then you can take over, and if you're good at it, then I don't have to edit. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much, and please, right now more than ever, I really want to hear your comments and what you think, and tell me where I can add to this and what you would like to see moving forward, because I'm going to be making face videos after March 17th. So that is my personal Robin Moses challenge date, is March 17th, and then we are going to begin to tell the stories of things, and who knows, Evil Client might be on there one day.
Ooh.
Maybe. Ha! So anyways, you guys, thank you, and I will see you back with more. I'll have pictures at the end of this, and they'll be all over my blogs and everything. Again, I didn't do these nails, but in a few weeks you'll see my handiwork. So
Yes.
I'll see you back with more. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, so cute.
They are amazing.